Sanibonani maswadakithi. Ngumfana Nkosi lomkhulu lapha eWashington DC. Ngiyavuka nje kusekuseni ngisashaya ama-prayers ami sengilungiselela ukuthi ngigeze ngihambe ngemsebenzini. Ngilesibili namhla. Ngithi Maswati umfana Nkosi makanicwayisa uyangithanza. Ngiyawathanza mina Maswati. Ngifuna ukuthi sibe lelivele elingcono. Ngingonje ningibona ngiba ngumsindvo. Ngoba ngiyabona lokuthi siyacwila ngaphasana inkosi Mswati. Mangentshela timvo letiningi nibokwadi ukuthi umfana inkosi imdzala. Mina I have a lot of experience. I look young but mina I'm an elder. Mina ngisho ngakasuka ngwane I was exposed very very young in my life. Mina bengigijima nabo umfana inkosi matatazela. Swazi elders. Bengigijima nabo Shy Nxumalo. I used to party with that man who brought a lot of businesses, investors into Swaziland under King Sobhuza. But Dr. Shy Nxumalo, he's actually an uncle. I consider him my uncle of mine because he's a brother to the man that brought me to the United States, James Nxumalo. So, very early in my life, as a teenager, I was a right-hand man to Dr. Simon Madlavana Nomanini Perfil, the only black CEO of a Fortune 500 company in Swaziland at the time, Dr. Simon Perfil. I was his right-hand man. He gave me an office across from him because I showed him signs. I'm a serious young man. And he gave me that job after I cornered him at the gates of his headquarters after having been turned away by 3-4 of his admin assistants for several times. But I was determined to sit with that man and convince him to give me a job. And he gave me a job. Sent me to his CFOs to go interview with all of them. And the feedback they gave him, he said, no man, you're going to come and work in my office. You're going to work for me. So when I tell you about Bob Babuli, I've been around the block, here, there, and everywhere. I've looked at African countries, how they go the wrong way. You see? So I can look from a distance and tell you when something is going the wrong way. Nangibona Mlungisi Makhanya sitting in his big, comfortable sofa, leather chair. Actually, swimming pool, giving interviews. I go like a hip-hop star. You see, this is a materialistic clown who's not about anything. He's not a true revolutionary. I've given you several presentations about Mlungisi Makhanya because I can just see that he's not a serious cat. He's a clown. He's talking about Gauzela is fashion. Gauzela is fashion. It's going to pass. No, here's the fashion. When I began in America, you joined Gauzela in South Africa. If I thought Gauzela was a clown. No, he showed us in Parliament. He's running away for his life right now because he stood by the people of Swaziland. Parliament. You see what I'm saying? He's not gonna take. He's not gonna lead you astray, Gauzela. He's a serious cat that means well, and he loves the people of Swaziland. These are clowns. You see, all these are clowns. Nalomfana lo lawyer bengicabanga ukuthi hlakaniphile. Silima naye. Bagijimela abantu baye eNamibia because bajagi power. They want to line up their pockets. I told you me. And the very fact ukuthi tinyanga in 2024. Why would you believe in this rubbish? You see, who's focused on the mission. So, it's because I've been around the block. I've been around Makhosetive. So all these things I'm telling you, I've seen Makhosetive up close and personal. He has nothing in his brain. And the people attender we are born. Yeah, I've been here. Even here in America, I run with the big dogs, the people who rule the world. I live, work, and play with these giants who rule the whole world. So when I tell you things, I go to your and you come here and argue with me, and I'm like, look at these young boys. They don't know anything. I think I've been exposed. I've been here, there, and everywhere. And I've been around geniuses. Since as a teenager in Swaziland, up until now, even today. Mina, I roll with everybody, big dogs. Bonga labo zidlanda bala in this neighborhood. Ba mati monti. You see what I'm saying? Mina, I learn the streets. I learn my corporate executive offices. I learn. Vele nje mina kuthi umvula ngumbukela phasi. So my brain is wired like that. And ngiyabathanza nje bantu vele in general mina ngichwenzi. Angibukeli umuntu phansi. So bengintshela imvula yabo Bhabule. Kuthi you must be focused, Swazis. We want a just, fair, equitable nation. Thank you. We all have a nice day.